Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn up read receipts on Instagram. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is going to our Instagram direct message. So we can tap on this button on the top right corner of our screen. Then you can select a group chat or a personal chat that you want to turn up the read receipt, and I'm gonna go with my personal chat. And if you want to turn up the Instagram read receipt on your group chat, the step is the same. So I'm gonna go with the personal chat. Then we can tap on the account name right here until this option appear on your screen, and you can tap on privacy and safety. Then you can click on this toggle button to turn off the read receipt. Okay, and now the read receipt has been turned off, and just remember that it won't be automatically turned off the read receipt of all your Instagram chats, so you have to turn it off one by one. So if you want to turn off the read receipt of another Instagram chat, you can do the same step. For example, I'm going to turn off the read receipt of this group chat. Tap on the group chat, then you can tap on the group chat's name. Tap on privacy and safety, then you can click on this toggle button to turn off the read receipt. Alright guys, and that's how you can turn off a read receipt on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.